Hi everyone. So I saw online AMG is working on a new supercar called Concept One, and I saw that it uses a very unique suspension which I wanted to replicate with Lego bricks. So this is what I came up with. Basically, just like the original, the suspension is separated in several sections. So the upper yellow shock absorbers, they support the weight of the car, but they do not affect the body roll. For body roll, this diagonal combination of the shock absorber and the rubber band is used. So when the car goes into a corner, the rubber band gets stretched on one side, and when the car gets in the other corner, when the body rolls, the shock absorber is compressed on the other side. So the car can have a hard suspension when it comes to supporting the downforce and the weight and everything, but it can still have a soft suspension when it comes to the body roll. So I think this is a nice idea. I also made a Lego digital designer model if anyone is interested, and I just wanted to show this video because it's a very ingenious suspension, and I think it could be useful for a 1:8 scale supercar model. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.